Helen Doron Early English has existed now for nearly 30 years. We have feedback and research from all over the world on the effectiveness of the methodology. Children who learn at an early age can't remember when they couldn't speak English. Their grammar's perfect, their accent's excellent, they feel very much at home with the language. Children who start after the age of 7 will learn it much more like a foreign language, but still they have fun, they learn well, they have a wide vocabulary, they sing many songs, feel totally at home in the language. We have research from different countries on the effectiveness of the method, on how well children feel in the lessons and how pleased parents are with the feedback that they're getting from their children as well. So we have 30 years of experience, and children come back year after year because they love it and because they know how much they're learning, and they recommend it to their friends with the original method, and it's extremely effective methodology. It has to be effective because it's the way children learn their mother tongue. Repeated hearing, positive reinforcement, repeated hearing at home of the downloads or the CDs at home, eating, going to bed. The children learn superbly by just hearing, but they don't know the meaning. They learn the meaning in the lessons. It's very much like a child learns his mother tongue. It's effective, it's good, and the children love it.